What's going on, team? Happy freaking Tuesday. Today's exercise of the week is a dumbbell devil's press. So with the devil's press, okay, so the goal is to do a burpee and then go right into almost of a kettlebell swing with the dumbbells so that they come up over your head, all right? Okay, so you have your dumbbells. So we're going to start out with a burpee. Make sure that the dumbbells are kind of farther apart so that your chest can go in between the dumbbells instead of just right here. Okay, so dumbbells are out wide. You hit the deck, all right? So you hit the ground, you come up, and then from here, you're going to sit back, all right? So you see that shift back, let the dumbbells swing, they come up overhead, bring them back down, go back into a burpee, come up, back down. Okay, so that is a dumbbell devil's press. I honestly would not go heavy on this, right? So this is more of to get your heart rate pumping. If y'all have any questions about the dumbbell devil's press, or if you have any other exercise you would like me to break down or coach you up on, leave them in the comments below and I'll add it to the list. Other than that, have a wonderful Tuesday.